With screen printed and digital transfers from Transfer Express, to receive a successful graphic on your apparel, your print area needs to have an even, firm surface to apply to. If you're heat applying to apparel that has any kinds of zippers, buttons, pockets, or any thick seams, you'll need to make sure that the print area is raised above these obstructions for a quality press. The first example here is a polo sports shirt that has buttons and a collar. If applying the transfer to the left chest, you'll want to remove the interference of the buttons, so you have a few options. The first is to move the buttons and the collar off of the heat press completely. This doesn't require any other tools and is really easy to do. The second option is to use a standard mouse pad to place in between the shirt. Position it underneath the fabric and next to the buttons. This raises the print area over the buttons so that the top platen is just hitting the mouse pad and your transfer when applying. The third option is to purchase a Print Perfect pad. Make sure that the size of the pad is large enough for your design and slide it under the shirt to raise up the area next to the buttons. A Print Perfect pad is thicker and more durable than a mouse pad, but is made for heat applications like this. Once you have your print area raised, you can position your transfer and apply using the heat settings on your transfer application instructions. If applying to the back of a polo shirt, you'll have the buttons on the opposite side that you'll need to work around. If laying flat on the heat press, the buttons are underneath the print area, which will cause an improper application. What you'll need to do is open the two layers of fabric and slide it over the platen so that the bottom platen is in between the two layers. This is what we call dressing or threading the platen. You'll maneuver the shirt over the platen to get a flat surface area to apply your transfer. Another popular area to print is on the pocket or just above the pocket. You can then take a mouse pad or a Print Perfect pad and place it inside of the pocket. If printing just above the pocket, take the mouse pad or Print Perfect pad and place it in between the shirt just over the pocket to raise the area above the buttons and pocket seam. Take your transfer and place it over the pad to apply. The next obstruction comes from a bag that has thick seams where the opening is. It also has a zipper and straps. First, the thickest seam can easily be moved off of the platen completely. A mouse pad or a Print Perfect pad can be placed in the pocket to raise the area. You'll need to maneuver the straps off of the platen as well. If decorating a lot of bags, this process may be too time-consuming, so here's another option. For Hotronix heat presses, we offer interchangeable platens that can replace the bottom platen. These are smaller and the perfect size for doing applications like bags. By using these interchangeable platens, you can simply place the bag over the platen without needing to raise the area with a pad. If you need more help with heat press solutions for obstructions, you can call Transfer Express at 800-622-2280, or you can visit transferexpress.com for information on interchangeable platens.